Cleveland's going! They always go right at fucking 11 now! What the hell? Unrecognized.
Northwest wind 5. The radio warning alarm for the KHB 97 listening area.
Oh, I have
This is a test of the
KC-47!
water temperature was
Give me
71
it!
degrees. Instead, you are on light work from the east.
Cue my WNG! I hear it! 1050 hertz, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's interference. TS died. Or not! We'll do it now. Hi, IWX! Just in case.
Receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary occasionally. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter.
It's gone.
For more information, go to our website, www. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA, All Hazards Radio Station, KHC-63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially
Of course it did.
The variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following
We'll
southeast
see
lower
if
Michigan
it's
counties.
possible this week.
Livingston,
Let's get out there.
Monroe, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KBC-63. We now return to the normal broadcast.
Vous écoutez présentement la station Radio Météo Canada. VAZ 5.3.
No way.
à Windsor,
Okay,
sur
EAS.
la
That's crazy.
29.99 inches and steady. In other local observations, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 66 at Monroe, 68 at Detroit, 70 at Lambertville, 66 at Mobile, and 70 at Defiance. Observations from the rest of the region. At Cleveland, rain was falling with a temperature of 70. At Grand Rapids, fog was reported with a temperature of 61. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 68 at Angola and 69 at Chicago. It was cloudy with a temperature of 69 at Cincinnati, 67 at Fort Wayne, and 62 at Oklahoma. These are the 11 a.m. marine observations for Wednesday. At Port Hope, the wind was east at 15 miles an hour. At Port Huron, the wind was calm. At Mount Clemens, the wind was east at 9.
I hear it going.
Jeudi après-midi.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040. Je répète. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040.
Prévision pour la...
Alright, well, that's another week for you. Really good week, actually. Only 2 total radios failed for DTX. That being the V5 300 and this HH on WNG. That's all that failed. Like, everything else went off. I'm completely sure. So, that's impressive. Gotta turn this on for Canada, that's fine. All the 1050 hertz radios went off. That's new. So, yeah, really good week. The 301 even managed to survive 20 minutes without the tuner going silent and even activate for DTX. So, yeah, really good. Yeah. That'll do it for this week. I'll see y'all next week, or if DTX likes to cook any flood stuff today.